everyone, I go by name Skyrot. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank. And so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
I'm about to tell you guys the hardest part about affiliate marketing. Most of you probably think that starting your business, getting sales, that type of stuff is probably going to be the hardest part. You couldn't be more wrong. I've been affiliate marketing for 2 months and I've already made thousands of dollars from my affiliate marketing business. So take this from somebody who's actually making money online. The hardest part is getting started. Most people will wait months, even years to start their affiliate marketing business. And for that simple reason, they never give themselves the chance to make sales, to make that money online. If you learn the right way and set your business up to work for you, the sales will come. I think I made 25 sales or more in my first 2 weeks of affiliate marketing. But if I could go back and change one thing, I would have started way sooner than I did. Because now I realize the possibilities are endless. I'll show you guys exactly how I got started affiliate marketing, so click.
Good day everyone, I go by name Skyrot. As you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you be following my video, you know I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. And I'm creating a bigger platform for affiliate marketers around the world, because some people have been asking me that since I'm making millions online, why am I still selling software to people to earn on affiliate marketing? But the thing is, I want to create a bigger platform for affiliate marketers around the world. So I'm using this platform to gather my students around the world and training them for a bigger purpose afterward. But presently, we are still making millions on Clickbank affiliate marketing. So as you can see on the screen, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine already on his Clickbank affiliate platform. And as an affiliate marketer, to be successful, we all know that we need a backbone and a strong traffic system that will locate your platform and buy your products that you are selling. And that is where I come in, because I have a software which I've developed myself, a affiliate marketing traffic generating software, which work by gathering leads online and promoting your platform or your link to this lead for you to get commission. And we both know that affiliate marketing is marketing or selling a product for a particular company and getting commission for each product to sell. Also, if you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to create a sales page for you for your products that are going to market with the software, and my video course will guide you step by step on how to use the software to get good sales like the one you can see on the screen. And my software is very easy to use. My video course will take you step by step, and also if you have any issue, I'm always available to my students to guide you till you become a successful affiliate marketer, because your success is my own priority. Yes, I'm already making millions and I want to train more millionaires in affiliate marketing. So to collect my software and video course today, to join the clique of the smart ones that are making edge in affiliate marketing, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get a software and video course today, to join the clique of the smart ones that are making edge and making big money on affiliate marketing. Remember, if you not learn, you won't earn, and you make a while the sunshine. This platform is not for everyone, but if you know you know the value of real results like this, you can always contact me and get the software today. Yes, also I manage accounts for my students. Also, if you are getting my software and video course and maybe you need assistance for a while, maybe you don't have some gadgets like your laptop or computer, because as a beginner you don't need to have experience in affiliate marketing. When you get my software and video course, you don't need to have experience in affiliate marketing or not to use my software. Yes, you can learn about Clickbank today and get my software today. My video course will take you step by step on how to use the software to get big sales. You don't need to have any experience in affiliate marketing or how to use my software. So I manage accounts for my students also. Yes, I have people that handle that here, because I I have people that work for me here. The manager accounts for people. Yeah, so to get to for me to manage your account, also you have to pay an extra commission for that. Yes, because that will take our time, and we are going to also many people will be asking that what's the benefit of me managing accounts for you. There's no special benefit there, it's just that you are going to do the work you ought to do, and I'm going to get the commission of the sales you make. So to get my software and video course today, you can always contact me today on my Gmail at skywetos@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today and start earning really big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Any of your affiliate marketing platform, yes, because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone. You can use my software on other affiliate marketing platforms to get your sales like JVZoo and the likes. So contact me today and get my software and video course. Thank you.